So this palm tree has been dead at least 2 years now, but the roots underneath are still very much alive, and we've been trying on and off every time we go past this, just to have a little go at digging it up. But this morning we're going to have a proper attempt, 2 spades, 2 of us, we're going to sever through all the roots and hopefully, finally, get this big old palm tree out of the ground. So we're going to get our spades in, cut through the roots and hopefully lever it up. But it is so tough. I mean, you've got a better chance with that root slayer than this normal spade, because this doesn't do much of cutting through the tough roots. This side? So you can get the soil out. It's just the roots. There must be some proper downwards roots going here. Need to chop all the roots. My spade doesn't go any further through the roots. So you get right next to me. Get right next to me. Right, no, go down. Go down as far as you can. Keep going down. I'll press that one. And you press that side. Right. 3, 2, 1. I heard a snap. A little snap. Let's have a swap. Yeah, that one. Let's have a go. That one. It is so tough. We'll get through it. It might just take us a few hours. But the good thing about this root slayer is it's got a serrated edge, so it will, if I do this like a saw into it, it's cutting through, and it will cut through the roots. It's a proper workout, this, isn't it? Oh, I'm getting somewhere.
It's like OP, but this is even more OP.
Do you think that's more OP? This is proper OP.
The plant is like a box.
Yeah, it's like a final boss. Is this Bootier? Bootier boss. Oh yeah, getting somewhere. Feel it. Oh yeah, look at that, feel it.
Oh yeah, that's an idea.
Oh, we're nearly there, and the rest. Nearly there. You're sitting on it. Oh God. It's a massive difference between a normal spade and that root slayer. That is like doing all the work. It can lever, it can cut. This can just you can't really lever if it'll break. But that is doing all the weight, all the cutting. It is tough as out, this. Right. I know. It shows how strong this is though, but this isn't broken. It's all my weight. I can feel it. It's not cracking actually. It's not cracking anymore.
It's not, is it?
Oh, there, got one.
Did you?
Got one little crack.
It's like rocking shit.
It's not bent this though at all. It's amazingly strong. Oh, new technique, pushing towards it. I might do it, so I do this. Oh, let's have a go. You're doing well. Are you? You get onto that one. So if I push it, maybe. Oh yeah, look, it's ripping it. Oh yeah. Oh, fall over. But that's ripped loads out. So if I do that on the other side, I do it on this side, push it that way. So let's get it in as far as we can. Oh yes, that's like a very wobbly tube.
Very, very old.
Right. Yes. Yes.
Isn't it?
Hey, I think
Power for sitting down.
the power of sitting down has worked.
They do it on that
This side,
Yeah. And then
I found a new technique for digging up palm trees.
I actually started that.
Put your spade close as you can, and then press against it rather than away.
That's what I can.
Yeah. I think we've done it.
Pull it up.
No.
Pull that.
Oh yes, that's it. I think we've done it. So lift it up.
Oh,
So
yeah.
have a go.
Is
So
it
get spike, a bit spiky. Let's have a look. Come on, you hold 2, 3, 2, 1, bolt. Yes! Yay!
Yay!
We got it out.
Hooray!
All those fibrous roots have cut through. Well done.
Well done, Daddy.
Well done, son.